Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can verify your Telegram wallet. It's very important to verify your Telegram wallet so that you can successfully receive airdrops, send tokens and the rest of it. Telegram is a popular messaging app that has expanded its services to include cryptocurrencies transactions through its Telegram wallet feature. This Telegram wallet allows users to store, send and receive cryptocurrencies directly within the app. However, to ensure the security and legitimacy of these transactions, Telegram requires you to verify your wallet. Verifying your Telegram wallet is a straightforward process that helps you prevent fraud, protects your access and your cryptocurrencies, and enable you to access advanced features in the Telegram wallet. In this video today, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of verifying your Telegram wallet. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Telegram app to open it. So let me tap on my Telegram app right away. So guys, once your Telegram app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see wallet. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the homepage of this Telegram account. So guys, if your account is not yet verified, you will not be able to carry out transaction on your Telegram account. Let's say for instance you want to copy the wallet address for any crypto at all, let's say BTC or USDT. If you want to copy it, you'll be asked to verify your account first. You will not be able to carry out that transaction. You have to verify your Telegram account first. So it's very important you verify your Telegram account. Let me just show you guys an example. Let me tap on more assets. Which crypto am I going to choose now? Should I go for Bitcoin, or let me use Bitcoin? Let me say you want to receive Bitcoin and you want to copy your wallet address for Bitcoin so that you can receive it, maybe Bitcoin airdrop or Bitcoin token, whichever. Let me just tap on Bitcoin to show you guys what I'm saying. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's my Bitcoin wallet. So if I want to receive Bitcoin now, what I have to do now is to tap on receive. So let me tap on receive to copy the address. So guys, now you can see this notification down there. You can see what's written there. Let's get verified. Quick verification will unlock all wallet features and protect your account. So guys, now you can see what I'm saying. Before you can actually carry out a successful transaction on Telegram wallet, you must make sure you verify your account. It's for safety and also for the protection of your account. For as many that are mining cryptocurrencies on Telegram, you must make sure you verify your Telegram wallet so they're going to receive the airdrop that is due you. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue so I can show you guys how you can verify your Telegram wallet. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. What's your phone number? Share your Telegram phone number to get basic verification level. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Share your phone number. Wallet will know your phone number. This can be useful for integration with other services. So guys, let me tap on share contact. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's required of you. You have to input your name and date of birth. Your data is securely stored and is required for identification purposes. So guys, what you have to do now is to input your first name and your last name. Your last name is your surname. Then you go over to the date of birth. Then input your date of birth. So guys, there's something you need to take note of. Any information you're inputting here, like your name and your date of birth, make sure it's exactly the way it appears in your identification document. Let's say you want to use your national ID card or your international passport or your driver's license. Make sure the name on your driver's license or national ID card is what you're going to put here. Make sure it's the same with what you're going to put here, and also for your date of birth, what's in your national ID card or your government issued ID card, make sure it's the same with what you're going to put here. So that's what you need to take note of. So guys, let me input my name and my date of birth right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my first name, my last name and my date of birth. What I have to do now is to tap on send. So let me tap on send right away. So guys, now you can see what's written there. You're all set. Discover your higher limits. So guys, what I've just showed you guys now is level 1 verification. There is also level 2 verification, and that one is very important. That's where you have to verify your identity. It's very important that you verify your identity for protection and legitimacy. So guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys right now. So guys, now let's go ahead now to tap on the receive icon there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let's say we want to copy the wallet address now. That means we want to copy BTC wallet address Bitcoin. So guys, let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see a new notification right here. You can see what's written there. 1,000 euros incoming transaction limit per day. Increase your 1,000 euro daily limit to 50,000 plus euro with advanced verification. So guys, now you have to advance your verification, and the advanced verification is the level 2 verification, which is the identity verification. So guys, let me tap on advanced verification. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the levels of verifications that we have here. The first one there is basic, then the second one is extended, the third one is advanced. So guys, now you can see the basic level right there. The arrow is pointing at it. That's what we just did a while ago, the one that we imputed our name and our date of birth, I think so. So guys, that's what we just did. So the next one we have to go for is extended. But before I do that, let me tap on basic so you see what is there. Let me tap on basic. So guys, now you can see what is there, your current level. So the basic level verification is the current level I am right now. That's what I've done. I've inputted my name and my date of birth. You can see the features that you can use under the basic level verification. You can see incoming transaction is 1,000 euro, per month is 15,000 euro, then card purchased per day 300 euros, per month 300 euros. Then the last one, which is P2P purchases, you can see available on extended and advanced levels only. So guys, now this P2P purchases is very important. This is how you can actually sell your crypto and get money in your bank account. So guys, it's very important you go for extended verification. So guys, now you can see the reason why you need to go for extended verification. If you go for extended verification, your incoming transaction will increase, your card purchases will increase, then the P2P purchases will then be made available to you, which is actually cool and an important feature that you need. So guys, now let me tap on extended. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see under the extended, you can see what's written there. Significantly increase your allowed limits by verifying your national ID. So guys, now you can see the incoming transaction has increased. It has increased by 100%. You can see the card purchases, it has also increased by 100%. Then the P2P purchases, you can see there is available under the extended verification. So guys, what you have to do now in order to get through this extended verification, in order to get to this level 2, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written, get this level. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. You can see what's written there. Verify using national ID. Verification protects your account from unauthorized access. So guys, note that your ID must contain your nationality. Your personal information is stored securely. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written here, wallet verification. You're about to submit sensitive data to wallet. If you receive this link from a suspicious source, please close this page and notify us immediately. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on continue, because this is from Telegram, so there's no need to bother about that. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Let's get you verified. You can pass it only once on your behalf after reaching the age of 18 and the legal age in your jurisdiction. So guys, now you can see what is required to be verified. You can see the step 1, provide identity document. So you have to provide a government issued ID card, like your national ID card, your international passport, or your driver's license. Whichever one that you have available, just get it out. Then the second one is you have to perform a lifeless check. That means your camera will be turned on, then they'll be able to access your face to see the features of your face and take a selfie of your face. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Tell us where you're from. I am a resident or live in. So guys, if you live in the United States, what you have to do now is to tap on the second option. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. But guys, if you don't live in the United States of America, if you don't reside in the United States of America, the option you have to go for is the first option, where it is written resident of another country. So guys, let me tap on that one since I'm not living in the United States of America. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to agree and continue. By doing that, you are agreeing to the privacy policy of Telegram. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. Select type and issuing country of your identity document. So guys, now you have to select the country that issued you the government issued ID card that you want to submit in this platform, and also you have to choose the document type. You can see over to the document type, you can see we have 4 documents type right here. The first one is driver's license, the second one is ID card, which is your national ID card, the fourth one is resident permit, while the fifth one is passport, which can be your international passport. So guys, the option I'm going to be going for is ID card. You can see there, that's the one I have available right now. That's the second option, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, over to the issuing country again. Make sure the country there is the country that actually issued you the government issued ID card. If you want to change it, what you have to do now is to tap on the drop down icon. You can see the drop down icon there on the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see these are the list of countries right here that we have here, or you can actually use the search icon to search at your country. By typing your country, then you'll be able to search it out. But guys, the country there is the right country. That's my country. So guys, what I have to do now is to choose my document type. So let me go for the second option right away. Then let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Get ready to upload your ID card. You can see the tips down there for uploading an ID card. Number 1, upload a colored photo or file. Then number 2, take a photo in a well-lit room. Make sure that the place you are has a lot of light. Then the last one, don't edit images of your document. So guys, now after you're done considering all of this, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written upload front side. So guys, what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you have taken the picture of your ID card, the front and the back of your ID card before you start this process, because you're required here to upload the picture. So once you've taken the picture of your ID card, the front and back, then you can start this process. You can see where it is written upload front side. So let me tap on it now. It's going to direct me to my phone gallery. Then I can select the image of my ID card, the front of my ID card. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it has directed me to my phone gallery. So then look for the image right away, the image of my ID card, the front of my ID card. So guys, now I've seen it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see that's my ID card. You can see what's written there. Make sure that all the information on the photo is visible and easy to read. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it's done loading. You can see the next step. They're asking us to upload the back side of our ID card. So guys, now what I have to do now is to tap on upload back side. But in case this image that you upload is not clear, you can decide to replace the image by tapping on where you can see replace image. But guys, my image is clear. So let me tap on upload back side. So guys, can see I'm back to my phone gallery again. Let me find the back side of my ID card real quick. So guys, now I've selected it. So let me tap on open. So guys, now you can see the back side of the camera is loading. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. Get your camera ready. You can see the tips we have been given. The first one is find a well-lit place. So make sure the place you are has a lot of light. Then the second one is ensure your face is within the frame. So guys, make sure you put your face within the circle or the square that is going to be provided. Then the last tip is don't wear hats, glasses or masks. So guys, don't wear any of that. So guys, once you're done reading all these guidelines, what you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see the next step, allow camera access. To continue with the verification, we need to access your device's camera. When prompted, you will need to allow camera access to continue. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue right away. Then what you have to do again now is to tap on allow to allow the wallet to access your camera. So let me tap on allow. So guys, now you can see what's written there, position your face within the frame. So let me position my face. You can see what's written there. They said, turn your head slowly in a circle, following the green indication. So guys, what you have to do is just to follow the instructions on the screen. If the green indication is above, then you raise your head slowly upwards. If it is downwards, you raise your head downwards slowly. If the green indication is on the right hand side, you tilt your head towards the right. If it's on the left hand side, you tilt your head towards the left. So guys, that's how it's done. So guys, now that's captured my face. Wow guys, can see what's written there. Congratulations, your documents have been successfully verified. So guys, let me tap on OK, then let me go back. So guys, now you can see our wallet has been verified. So guys, let me show you guys two ways that you can use to confirm that your Telegram wallet has been verified. First of all, let me choose an asset. Let me choose Bitcoin crypto again. So guys, now let me tap on the receive icon to see if that notification will pop out. That notification that will ask you to get verified and upgrade your verification level. So guys, let me tap on the receive icon right away. So guys, now you can see there is no notification for you to get your wallet verified, and also there is no notification for you to upgrade your level, your verification level. So guys, let me show you guys the second way. Let me go back to the home page of my Telegram app. Let me go back now. So guys, now the second way now is actually to search out your wallet. So let me tap on the search icon at the right hand side, the top right hand side. Let me tap on it. Then what I have to do now is to type in wallet. So let me type in wallet. So guys, now you can see your Telegram wallet there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see the message you received from Telegram concerning our wallet. You can see your documents have been successfully verified. You have upgraded to the extended verification level. You can continue to use wallet now with increased limits. So guys, now you can see this is how you can confirm that your Telegram wallet has been verified. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.